Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and learn about sea stars, also called starfish. If you're new here, my name's Chris Fitz and this is my super simple art class for kids. Go ahead and subscribe for a new art class each week. Alright, let's get started. Alright, go get your supplies. You're going to need a black pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there's a free tracing guide available on my website for download. Let's draw. Let's start with the eyes. Draw 2 circles in the middle of your paper. And then draw 2 little circles inside. Let's give this little sea star a smile and some personality. Now for the body. Sea stars can have many arms, but we're going to focus on 5. Feel free to draw as many as you want. Move your marker about 1 inch from the eyes and draw a line down towards the eyes. Repeat it on the other side. Should kind of resemble a triangle. And this sea star is waving, so I'm drawing it slightly curved up. Did you know that sea stars have eyes at the end of each arm? I didn't know that. The more arms that they have, the more eyes that they have. And their vision's not that great or sharp, but they are able to see changes in light. Sea stars don't have perfectly shaped arms, so it's okay to draw loose lines and make the arms look like they're moving. Now let's draw some small spines on each arm. The spines look like little circles. This sea star is a little cheesy. Let's add some teeth. Draw a line across the middle of the mouth, and then we're going to color in the 2 sides, so it just looks like he has 2 teeth. There are over 2,000 species of sea stars. Some of them aren't even shaped like stars, and they can have up to 40 arms. The smallest one found in diameter was 1 inch, and the largest one found has been 3 feet. That's huge! They can live up to 35 years in both warm and cold saltwater climates around the world. Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Did you know that sea stars have hundreds of tubed feet? That's how they get around. The salt water moves through their bodies and it moves through the tubed feet and it helps them walk, move, or catch prey. If a sea star loses its arm to a predator, over about a year, it can regenerate or regrow another arm. Sea stars have an inside-out stomach. When they capture their prey, their stomach comes outside of their mouth to digest the food. Once it's digested, it retracts back inside. Sea stars are known to be carnivores, which means they eat meat. They like to prey on clams, mussels, and their tube-like feet help them pry it open. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Check out last week's art class, and if there's something that you want to draw and learn more about, let me know on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.